What is up? We're back with another super simple upgrade you could do to your 6th Gen Camaro, especially if you don't have the stainless steel pedal upgrade. I have a 2SS that came with the black pedals. I ended up ordering the GM stainless steel pedals. Let's get straight to this. It's a super simple upgrade. I wouldn't be making this video this late in the day when it is getting dark, so 3, 2, 1, install. The tools that I'm going to be using is just a little plastic pry tool and also a 10mm socket to take the pedal off. All right, so finally got it on. It took a little longer than I expected, but I did notice using my fingers was a little easier than using the pry tool. So when you put the top on, once you get it on, it's gonna be kind of hard. But once you get it on, the edges, I just basically, if you have strong fingers, you just basically pull it out and then kind of wrap it around the edges. And it went on just so much easier than using a pry tool. So now we're on to the pedal. Now, you're wondering where the bolt is. If you're smart, it's right here. You just take that little cover off and that's your 10mm bolt. So we're gonna continue with the gas pedal and get this thing going. So once you get the bolt off, to get the gas pedal off, all you're gonna do is just slide it towards your driver's seat. And that'll pop right out. So once you pull the gas pedal out, there's this little connector piece that has this red lip. You gotta push it up this way. And then put a little screwdriver or flathead in here. It'll pop right off. Don't forget when you plug this in, this little red tab you gotta push back down. You got 3 points that need to hook in. This little spike goes in that hole, and then you have your 2 lips on this end that slide in here. Be sure not to over tighten it, because when you took it out, it wasn't that tight to begin with. So you don't want to strip the threads in the inside. Last but not least, put your little cover back on. Turn the car on and make sure that the gas pedal works. It'd probably be smart to have your park brake on, just in case something crazy happens. All right, looks like we're good. All right, everyone, that wraps up this video. I told you it was gonna be a short one, quick one with a huge benefit on a very small detail that is a very easy install to do. Realistically, it probably took 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You know, every Monday is a new video, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Kevin from SLEEPERtv, and I'm out.